Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute drink to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this yummy drink, let's start by drawing a big curve across. So this is basically the top of our cup. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a shallow curve all the way across. So say about right here. And end about the same level on the other side. Nice wide curve. Then from there, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to round it off a little bit. And I'm going to bring it down with a curve to create our cup. So same thing over here. So this cup is basically going to be like a pumpkin because we want to make it extra festive to celebrate fall. So let's bring this down. And let's bring right here, we're going to connect it at the bottom with a shallow curve, and about right here I'm going to give a tiny little bump in the center and another bump, just as if we were drawing a pumpkin. There. And then you come right here where the bumps are and just very lightly just draw a curve. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's draw the yummy part on the top. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to go at a kind of like drawing a triangle shape. And I'm going to start about right here and I'm just going to draw soft curves, smaller curves, and we're just going to go all the way up to create our huge mound of whipped cream. So I'm heading towards the center. So let's find my center. So about right there, just keep that in mind. One more, and I'm just going to go right to the center, about right here, and go one big dollop, and bring this down with a curve, and about right here I'm going to stop because I have a wedge of orange that I want to draw as well. So I'll come back right here just to make it a little bit easier. I just kind of want to match this side. One and two, just like the other side. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and stop right here and just draw a big curve for my wedge right here. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this cream up. Then from there, I'm going to come, let's bring this down a little bit. From there, I'm going to just come right here and just wobble, curve, wobble, as if the orange slice is stuck in the whipped cream. So that's my goal right there with that little wobble. Then from there, let's come right here and we're going to draw a curve right here for orange slice, and then bring in, let's see, these angles in here to make it look like an orange right there. So everything is towards the center and radiating out. Then from there, let's see, let's come back and we're going to just draw a bunch of curves all the way across for our whipped cream here. Just soft curves. Oh, oops. All the way across right here. Or you can do this when you're coloring so it's not so harsh, but I just wanted to show you. Go all the way across, one more. And one more right here. And just notice as I draw these curves, it's coming this way, the bottom right here is just a curve going down. And then right here, if you like, you can add some more details. Big dollop. Let's draw a curve to give it a little bit more texture. There. So a nice big mountain. And of course, when you're coloring, you can sprinkle it with some cinnamon or whatever you like, right? Okay, so then from there, let's definitely add maybe a stick of cinnamon. About right here, because we want to make it as festive as possible. So 2 angle lines, and I'm just going to put in a little oval right here, add in a line here for our cinnamon stick. And let's just do a little swirl in here, right there, for our cinnamon stick. And then our handle, of course, so let's come about right here. Draw a nice thick handle. And curve down. And thicken it up. And that is pretty much it for a fall drink, but it's not complete, of course, right? Because we need to make it extra cute. So let's come in this area right here, and I'll start about right here and just draw these big circles for some Draw So Cute eyes. To celebrate my favorite time of the year. So 2 big circles. And let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And let's come to the top of each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And just imagine this was coming up. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a line as well. Just to complete the look of our cup right here. And let's give our smile right here in the center. Sorry, I got carried away. Draw a cute little curve right here for a sweet smile. And last but not least, let's add a heart right here to finish it up and make it my Draw So Cute fall drink for 2021. I really hope you love this drink and that I inspired you to draw it as well, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.